Okay, let's come back to this aircraft structure repair course code AAB31003. Let's discuss about the assessment. So obviously we have 100% score. We need that. That is the ideal 100% score. And what are the breakdowns? Quizzes. Okay. Assignment in particular 25%. Quizzes 20%. Midterm examination 15%. And the final 30%. So this has been fixed. So your assignment practical, anything that we give it to you as assignment, we can consider the assignment. At least we have 2 assignments for a semester, and those are 25%. So the assessment of the assignment is by you are making videos of the problem of the project, and then you explain what are you doing in the project from the beginning until the end is in the video. From your explanation in the video, we are able to understand how much you understand about the subject. Then we have quizzes. Every session, every online session that I give it to you, I will give you a quiz. Online session could be live, Teams, online, or it could be you watch a video, and then there is a Q&A, question and answer session, explanation session after watching the video, and then I will give a quiz. So quiz is mandatory for every session. So please attend the session, because at the end of the session there will be quiz through BLE. And the midterm, halfway through the semester, I will give you midterm to assess your knowledge, your understanding of the subject up to the mid of the semester. So that is in the form of also in the BLE, in the form of the in the questions in the BLE, and this is basically short answer, short essay, or multiple MCQ, multiple choice questions. Then final is also in the BLE, in the form of BLE. So also similar to the midterm, and you have to attempt this within a period of time. We give 3 or 4 hours to complete the final examination. Also in the BLE, in the form of essay, short essay, short essay, and MCQ. So those are the assessment. Again, I repeat, assignment practical 25%, assessment through the video presentation, which you submitted to me, and I'll do the grading based on what you have explained. And in the past, I can really pick up how much you understand the subject based on the way you presented in the video. And we have quizzes. The quizzes should be attempted. You should attempt the quiz after every online session. And then we have midterm. Midway through the semester, we have midterm, which is also in the BLE. So the midterm should be in the form of essay, short essay, or the MCQ. So final also at the same format as the midterm, and this is after the end of the semester. So this is the score that you need to basically achieve. Okay, so I don't think it's difficult. The only difficulty is some of you are not able to attempt those quizzes or midterm. Then it's no excuse. Other than that, if you follow through the subject, you attempt all these practice assignment, quizzes, midterm, and final, I believe you will be able to pass through the course, and most importantly, you understand about the subject.